in a pretty serious condition with our school. I mean, the school is really over 30 years old, built back in the mid-1980s. So as of recent, really the years started to take their toll on the school. We were suffering from some severe roof leaks throughout several of the buildings here. We have old lighting, flooring is a problem. Our air would go out often in the summer, so we were desperately in need of the improvements.
Look how hard they're working on the parking lot.
So this particular project is going to be divided out into 4 phases. We already had the first phase accomplished last summer with the parking lot repavement, which was great. Now we're entering probably the most critical part of the whole project, which is phases 2 and 3. Phase 2 over this summer is going to be a complete renovation, actually a brand new roof for the school, which will be great, no more leaks after our severe thunderstorms that we get here. We're going to have brand new classrooms, new lighting, new plumbing, new HVAC, painting, everything's going to be brand new. So we're very excited about that, and again, long overdue. The crews have been here daily. They're working round the clock to get it done. So we can see that this is all going to happen in time for the start of the school. And you know, we're just so excited that we're pretty much going to have a brand new school when we come back for this year. It's very important that we have good learning conditions for students, because at the end of the day, this does impact their progress and their ability to take in information and really have the best, most conducive surroundings for learning to happen. When we have better lighting, when we have bright colors in the classroom, when we don't have to move students around because we have roof leaks, and we can keep students stationary in their surroundings, all of these things contribute to good learning and teaching conditions for us. We just, really want to thank the community for their efforts in supporting us, and we're just very excited to start the new year off.